Thank you so much for your interest in our virtual Adobe Graphic Master course. We know how difficult it can be, pulling the main Adobe applications together to create a document for print or web design. With that in mind, we have created this course which combines the must-know features of Photoshop, InDesign and Illustrator. My name is Peter Meehan. I am an Adobe certified expert, a graphic designer with over 20 years of experience and the lead trainer here at Bigrockdesigns. We have been delivering Adobe courses for over 15 years, from individuals to multinational companies. In our Graphic Master course, we will cover how you should properly set up a document right from the start using either Photoshop, InDesign or Illustrator. In Photoshop, we will show you how to optimize images for print or web design, how to select those complex objects quickly and efficiently, how to alter image color or fix those imperfections. In Illustrator, learn how and why to use artboards, how to build simple layouts like business cards or restaurant menus. We will move to InDesign and we will create layouts from simple stationery to complex magazines. Finally, learn how to package up the entire document, export as a PDF for best quality print and more. We'll even dig into seemingly simple concepts like an effective naming strategy. With years and years of Adobe training behind us, loads of positive reviews, we're confident this course is everything you need to get up and running in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign. All the modules in our virtual course are recorded, so you can easily go back over any area you're not sure about in your own time. If you need any more information on our Graphic Master course, contact us anytime, and we hope to have you on the next one.